Hi, I'm Glenn from Ubio, and I like to print big. Welcome to my HP Latex demo room in Pleasanton, California. We're going to be talking to you about the HP Latex 800 and 700W and showing you uGraphics Escape. Let's get to it. Welcome to the HP Latex 800W. The W stands for with white. Here's my white ink container over here with the A and B circulation loops. We have our white ink heads down here, as well as our water, which is our cleaning solution. We have 3-liter ink boxes down here, and one of my favorite features of the new latex system is the overcoat ink. That allows me to put on some scratch resistance, as well as turn it off when I'm doing laminated applications. So one of the other cool features that we've added in here is the new loading system. Look at that. It's kind of like a DeLorean time traveler. You can load it here nice and easy. We have easy access to the platen, so when we're cleaning the platen, we have nice easy access for that. Rails can be lubricated nice and easily now. We're not kind of working over that heating module. So I'm gonna close this guy down. I'm gonna take you through how it looks loading it. So on the panel here, I'm gonna select substrate. I'm gonna tell it that I'm loading because that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna pick my media, in this case, uGraphics Escape Matte, hit continue. It's gonna ask me a bunch of questions. I'm gonna ignore them for right now. And like typical HP, it's gonna show me pictures of what to do. Step 1, open the curing module. I'm gonna load this guy back here, and that's gonna reveal the take-up. And I'm gonna load my media under a little bit of tension up and through. And there's a little trick. You have to wait for it to grab. And if you just let it grab, it will load pretty much by itself. I'm hands-free. It's telling me what to do next, which is close the curing module. And that's it, it's loading. One of the cool new features here on the Latex 700 and 800 is this guy right here. It'll hold about 32 jobs that are previously sent over. So I'm just gonna pull over from my history, jobs that I've sent earlier today. I'm gonna pick this guy here and hit reprint. It's gonna ask me how many copies and print. That's it, I don't have to access my RIP. I can just pull straight from the hard drive. It's gonna print. So we finished printing. The printer goes through its entire process. You guys got to see some of that. As it finishes printing, it goes through the heater to make sure that it's completely cured and comes back. So one of the really cool things about the HP Latex technology is real simple. It's a water-based ink. We're playing a game of evaporation. So what we're doing is we're evaporating the water, we're leaving the resin latex behind. So this is a very safe, eco-friendly system. One of the things I really truly enjoy about working with HP and selling their products is that this is a sustainable product. Those ink boxes down there, they're cardboard and plastic. They get separated. They get put into the recycling. Very, very simple. Very cool. They've really worked hard on it, and I'm very proud to sell it. Okay, so as it's finished, I'm just gonna move this out of our way so we can get a better view. As it's finished, it pulls everything onto the take-up reel for me. It is ready to run another print job. I can let it go to sleep. Honestly, I don't like letting it go to sleep. I like to unload it and then let it to go to sleep. So to unload it, I just move this guy out of my way, and that's it. I'm ready to go to the cutter. Welcome to the HP Latex Plus Cutter. This is the 64-inch Plus Cutter. And just before we get into what we're doing over here, I just want to point out a few things. These graphics here, they were printed on the HP Latex. This is a cast vinyl, which you can buy directly from us at Ubio. This also is a cast vinyl. These materials over here, which are tricky to take off because they're magnets. This is a direct printed magnet, print and cut on the HP Latex print and cut solution. So what you've seen earlier was the HP Latex 800W. Our entry-level machines, the 315 and 335, come packaged with this cutter. So you get a complete solution, a print shop in a box. What we're gonna show you guys today is these sticker sheets that I made. Every aspect of this is print and cut. One of the nice innovations with the HP Latex Plus cutter, or HP 64 Plus, because it's 64 inches, is this new panel here. So everything's a touch screen. We all love touch screens. I can very easily navigate and set up my machine to do different jobs. One of the other things I like about the HP cutters is once I engage or disengage, the machine goes into action. So I'm gonna engage, and you're gonna see the first thing it does is read the media. What's loaded in here? What are we doing? One of the cool things that we have with the HP cutter is the barcode option. We press on the barcode. We just follow the on-screen instructions, set the tool below the barcode, which I've done just now, and tell it to go. There it is, it found the barcode. So as it reads the marks, it's setting up the parameters for the job. And then this last little piece here that it does is called straightness optimization. And it's into work. Okay, so when it's done printing and cutting, you will get something that looks a little bit like this. You'll have two completely different actions. So you'll get, and I'm gonna pull this gingerly. Come on now. There it is. You will get a little sticker. Really small stickers from a really big printer.